Hey guys. Ever feel like your Android phone is getting slower by the day? Like it's working overtime just to open basic apps? Chances are your phone is loaded with unnecessary junk files and app cache that's quietly clogging things up in the background. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear the app cache for all your apps at once on any Android device. No need to open each app one by one. It's quick, easy, and your phone will feel faster almost instantly. So stay with me, because this method could seriously boost your phone's speed and free up tons of space. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is grab your phone and go straight into Settings. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on Storage. But here's a shortcut. Instead of scrolling, just use the search bar at the top of your settings and type in Storage Cleaner. This will take you directly to the cleanup options. Super handy if your phone brand hides these menus deeper. Once you're on the storage page, look for a button that says Clean Up or Free Up Space. Tap on that and you'll see a list of options. Things like junk files, residuals, and app cache. Now here's the magic. Tap Junk Files or Clear Cache, and in one tap your phone will wipe out all cached data for your apps, without you needing to go through each one manually. Different phones label this slightly differently depending on the brand. For example, on Xiaomi, you might see Cleaner as a built-in feature. On Samsung, it may appear as Device Care, Storage, Clean Now. Now, if your phone doesn't show a built-in cleaner or cache clearing tool, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just open Google Play Store and type Cache Cleaner. Apps like CCleaner, Files by Google, or 360 Security Cleaner can help you clear cache across all apps with just one tap. These apps are super lightweight and free, and they'll even notify you when it's time to clean again, so your phone stays fresh and snappy. And here's something most people miss. From the same storage cleanup page, you can also delete unused apps, remove large files like videos or audio, clean app-specific data from things like WhatsApp or Messenger. That means, in just a couple of taps, you're not only clearing your cache, you're optimizing your whole phone. So yes, clearing app cache for all apps at once on Android is totally possible, and it's a game changer for speed, performance, and space. So tell me, how much space did you free up after trying this? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know. If this video helped speed up your phone, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you don't miss more tech-saving tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.